A car accelerates from 0 to 60 miles an hour in 4.5 seconds. What is its acceleration in meters per second squared? So we know the acceleration is defined by v minus v naught divided by time. So v is 60 miles an hour minus 0 divided by 4.5 seconds. But in order to make it meters per second, we need to convert the mile per hour into meters per second. Let me convert 60 miles an hour to meters per second. In order to do that, we know that 1 mile is 1609 meters, and 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So I put the mile in the denominator so that it cancels, and also put the hour in the numerator so it cancels. So we get meter in the numerator and second in the denominator, right? And then if you do multiply all of these, you get 26.82 meters per second, and then divide by 4.5, so A will be 26.82 meters per second divided by 4.5 seconds. That will be 5.96 meters per second squared. Right? And then what about the other one? What is the acceleration due to gravity in kilometers per hour squared? So G, which is 9.8 meters per second squared. That's the magnitude of acceleration due to gravity. You multiply by 3600 seconds in each hour, but because seconds is squared, you square that. Per hour squared, 1 hour squared. See, because you have seconds squared, you have to put twice that factor, multiplying. And then kilometers, we want to convert meter to kilometers. So 1 kilometer and 1,000 meter in the denominator, so that it cancels out. The meters cancel out, and the seconds cancel out, so we get kilometers per hour squared. All right. What is the result?
127,008.
127,008. 127,000 kilometers per hour squared. Is it not too much? Something that you can do after you solve a problem, see if your solution makes sense. How can you make sense of this solution? Does it make sense? Does it sound reasonable?
It's per hour, so yeah.
How does it make it okay? It's per hour. It means that if you let the acceleration continue for 1 hour, the object will get that much speed, which makes sense. If you go 9.8 meters per second for 1 hour, then you get this many kilometers per hour for your speed. That makes sense because it's a long hour, long time, right?